Hello, this is Dan from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through using Foundry's excellent gallery options. Basically what we've got here is just the Hello World post, which is from the standard WordPress demo data when you have a fresh theme. A fresh install. Obviously not much going on in there at the moment, but what we're going to concentrate on is just showing you the different options we've got for the gallery. So to begin with, we'll just add a regular gallery like you'd get in pretty much any other theme, and we'll just add this bunch of images here and create a new gallery. Now what we've got here are a few different options for the layouts down here, which you wouldn't normally get. So at the moment we're going to choose, say, medium images, 3 columns default. Yeah, that'll do. Let's hit update. Okay, so this is the kind of the standard style of gallery. So you can see here we've just got a regular, essentially a grid of different images. If we change a couple of these options here, so let's change that to 2, for instance, just see how that affects everything. Okay, yeah, I mean, all pretty standard stuff. Looks great, but we go one step further. So if we head it back to the gallery again and just edit it, we'll choose one of the different layouts from the options here. We'll start with the slider, which I'm sure you can imagine what that is. If we hit update and just see how this affects the site. So you can see there straight away, rather than the grid, we've got a beautiful slider of images here. It just scrolls through, absolutely stunning, as I'm sure you'll agree. If we take another look at the next option along, that's the slider, but with some thumbnail navigation. I'll just refresh this and see. Now, this is probably a good example. You can see there's quite a big gap here between the two. The simple reason being, we've got a very tall image, so the slider itself will be as tall as the tallest image in the gallery. Obviously, to avoid this, we'd simply remove the larger image, but it's just something to bear in mind if you're wondering why this is happening. I'll just demonstrate how to kind of get rid of it now too. So we'll edit the gallery one more time, and we know this is the culprit here, so we'll remove that, update the gallery, and refresh the page. And there we go. We've got the slider with navigation, and it all looks a bit more even. If we take another look at one of the other options, we've got the Lightbox gallery here, which is probably one of the more attractive ones compared to the standard gallery layout. You can see we've got lovely even thumbnails here, which take you to the full image, which is absolutely gorgeous. And finally, although this one isn't usually applicable or may not work so well for a post, you can use it obviously in your portfolio or whatever as well. So that's the full width option. So if we refresh to see how this affects and looks in a standard post, so yeah, you can see it's not quite what we're aiming for, but that one's more intended for the portfolio option anyway. Yeah, so there you go. That's the gallery options found within Foundry. If you have any problems along the way, obviously come and see me over at support. I'll be happy to help. Other than that, thanks very much for watching.